How to fill AP ICET 2024 application form. Application form has been released online at cets.apsche.ap.gov.in. Candidates willing to appear for Andhra Pradesh Integrated Common Entrance Test must fill the application form on or before the last date. Visit the official website. To begin, click on Eligibility Criteria and Fee Payment. Check the box confirming that you meet the eligibility criteria, then start filling in your personal details. Now the payment options appear. Choose your payment method and proceed to pay the application fee. Enter the OTP received on your registered email address and complete the payment details. When the status shows success, note down the payment reference ID and proceed to fill the detailed application form. Fill in the detailed application form including personal and educational details. Upload your photograph less than 50 KB and scan signature less than 30 KB. Save the filled application form and take a printout for future reference.